Oh, YouTube, smash that subscribe button. I got plenty more music videos and updates on the independent film. Book 2 for the transmetronome device that the film and also the pilot for the miniseries are based on. But right now, I'm working on another home project. I started installing this barn style sliding door. And here are the wonderful directions. They're pretty detailed. It's really not bad at all. This was the box with all the hardware. Of course, I already I got my main baseboard there. I got my spacers. And this is the one bumper, and then there's one over on the other side there. Those are just temporary right now. I'll adjust them later with the Allen wrenches. These have been anchored in. This is good, so you can actually, I can hang off of there if I want. I weigh a lot more than the actual door. And got some, hi Barnachu, got a couple really nice pieces here of wood. I got them temped together. Right now I have the screws in them to hold everything in place so that I can drill my holes. I have them marked right here. So I'm going to pause this and drill those holes out. And then of course these will go on here like so. And we'll get them up there. And once this is all up there and anchored into position, I'm going to put a nice fancy fancy frame style you'll see on there. And also I am going to, when this is up here, there's going to be the fancy framework you'll see. I also put a new kitchen floor in too. I've been really busy around here, and of course, as if you keep up with my videos, as you know, I've been repainting the whole house, and of course, my wife has, done what she always does, and decorate. She's really good at decorating, and I have also installed new carpet. So yeah, we've been quite busy here, but I'm going to pause this, like I said, and we'll get the rest of this door on here. And like I was starting to say there, once it's on, it's going to be, this is basically, it'll slide out and it'll go right over that, so we don't have to take that down. It'll go right over the metal artwork, and we'll slide it into position when we want to keep certain people, barn at you. When we want to keep certain people, out of the kitchen when we're cooking or whatnot. Oliver, yeah, and little Gidgy over there. Hi, Gidgy, and Gus. And keep little Furbies out of the kitchen. And anyhow, then we'll have the half point, which will be the decorative framework that I'm going to put on. And I think she might stain it to match the wood out here. And I've been working on the new cabinets up here in this section. I gotta push stuff in there. Oh. Need more space and still got more stuff in there. I'm going to be staining these, of course, to match everything else. And of course the new floor out here. And I got quarter round all around there put in, and new thresholds and I got them painted. So I don't know if she's gonna paint, if she'll paint this door to match the floor or the wood. If she might stain it, I don't know. That's up to her. But anyhow, I do tend to talk a lot, so I appreciate everybody that takes the time to watch all my videos. So stay tuned. I'm going to pause this, and we'll get back to building the rest of this barn-style door. And we'll get the other side and run the sweeper. Okay, we're going to run the sweeper now. See how calm everybody is? Watch as soon as I get this sweeper out. Just watch. The killer will come out of hiding. As soon as I touch this door, she'll probably go crazy. She's going to make a liar out of me. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah. What is this, Gidge? Uh-oh. What? Oh, what is that? Uh-oh. She does not like the sweeper. Hold on. Stay tuned for station identification. Oh, Barn. He thinks he's got a new bridge. He's got a new drawbridge there to walk under, huh? Hello. I am just inspecting. I don't like this sweeper either. When it goes on, I'm getting out of here. Uh-oh. Here's where the fun begins. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a killer. She's a killer. And here we go. And watch Barn. He's going to take off. Watch this. There we go. Paused there for a second and got the majority of that. Now I can get all the little bits that fell off of it. Psych. Watch this. I'll get a little bit of weightlifting in here too. Watch this. As some of you may already know, Gidget will pretend like she is going to kill the sweeper. Watch this. She shows the sweeper what she's going to do to it by attacking the couch. Watch this. Are you camera shy today? Any other time she's going crazy. Now the further away we get, the braver she gets. Well, maybe not today. What's the matter, Gedge? Aren't you a brave cat today? You're going to just be a mouse today, huh? Where's that killer dog instinct? Oh my. Oh well. We'll make part 2 of this. We'll come back here with the door. Thanks for watching. And I'll have lots more shorts coming for you here really soon. Hope you enjoy everything I have so far. Or maybe instead of having a part 2, so far I've managed to pause this without any problem. Knock on wood. But let me get this first one in here. And then we'll pause it again and move a little further along here so we can see results. Well, so you can see the results. Whoa! And there is the first bolt going on. Progress. Might as well put all of these out here right now. Do this all at once here. Oops. Trying to watch the camera and doing this. Nice. Of course, this way. open here. Okay, the second one. Wheels going this way. Put the bolts in down here already there. Go. Hand tighten everything right now. Anchor it later. Just make sure that everything is copacetic before we. Okay, we'll set it up now. And of course, before we set it up, we'll move the temporary Barnachew barricade. Come, Barn. He's like, I don't know what's going on here. And here we go. Set that up there. Up and away. The moment of truth. There we go. On. Temporary bumpers working. Move the ladder and stuff out of the way. Dining room table chair out of the way. Alright, we're just going to test this out. Right into the other bumper, I have it loose. I will adjust it. That's looking good. So what we'll do is now we'll pause this here because I got this all cooperating here. This is on, working good. But now it's time to adjust that bumper guard over there. Then I have to do I have to find the floor track. Little floor track in here. I'll guide that, whatever exactly it's called. And that'll keep it from wobbling. It'll keep it straight. We'll get everything measured right. And then it'll slide right through the track all nice. Similar to a pocket door, only it's not hidden. It's just it's really going to add a lot. And once I cut out the Gothic opening, it'll be like a Gothic window opening, like curved air and curved air to like the halfway point, like right down to here. That's really going to look nice once it's there. And then I'm going to do the decorative border. I'm going to put the boards around the border, and then the half point down here will be kind of like I think she wants like a X-brace, kind of like a barn stall door, maybe to like a horse stall or something like that, but with a Gothic. So make it a little different, give it a little different look. But that is really going to add a lot, ain't it, Barnachew? Yeah, it's also going to keep me out of the kitchen. But, okay, we're going to pause this. And, well, now, we're going to pause this right now, and we're going to get that floor piece in. And this, of course, is the floor guide. And these are the anti-jump discs, which will go up top of the door there, one on each side there, which will help prevent the track from jumping. Okay, I got my spacer board, and then I have my space there. We pre-drilled so as not to crack nothing, so it would go in because that's oak underneath there too. So now we're finishing up the anchoring this down in here. Be careful not to. Because of course, you know, it is plastic, so we don't, you know, we want to take care not to break it. That would not be good. Now that that's done, now we can go over here and find the Allen wrench. Okay, found the little Allen wrench. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back here. Going to put that, there we go. It's right there. Let's make an adjustment here. And I got that one here. And now we got that one tightened. And we shall continue this in part 2.